Hey, how's it going? I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a kill part. This is really good for hobbies, such like that. So to get into this really quick, search a have one. I'm going to customize mine a little bit to make it red. No, it's a kill part. You don't have to do this. Or by scripting, we're going to insert a script part. I'm going to script.parent connect touched connect function other part local humanoid is going to be equal to other part dot parent find first child humanoid, and then if humanoid, then humanoid dot health is going to be 0. All right, let's try this. Sorry, try to jump over this. Works. I hit it, I die. Simple enough. That's about all you need. Also, make sure you have this up somewhere, you have it inked. So, thanks for watching. Bye.